Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. Standard 10, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression, subject Mathematics. Exercise number 5.3. In previous lecture, we completed up to question number 15. Let's we begin with question number 16. In question number 16, a sum of 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. Answer number 16. In answer number 16, you know that let the cost of first prize be is equal to P. Then the cost of second prize P minus 20. And the cost of third prize, that is a P minus 40. Here you can see that there is a rupees 20 less than its preceding price. So find the value of each of the prices. So here arithmetic progression having common difference as minus 20 and first term as P. So here A is equal to P and D is equal to 20 respectively. So here S7 is equal to 700 n. Use the formula n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n by 2 means n is equal to 7 by 2 and 2 into a n minus 1 into d. So 7 minus 1 into d. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus 6 into 20 by 2 is equal to 100. So a plus 3 into bracket minus 20, that is 100. So a minus 60, that is a 100. So a is equal to 160. Therefore the value of the each of the price was rupees 100, rupees 140, rupees 120, 80, 60 and 40 respectively. In this way you can find the value of the prices. Question number 70. In the school, though planting trees in a ground, the school to reduce air pollution, it was decided that number of trees that each section of each class will be planted will be the same as the class in which they are studying. As example, a section of class I will plant first tree, section of class 2 and plant 2 trees, and so on till class 7. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by students? Let's we see. Here answer number 17. It can be observed that the number of trees planted by the student is an arithmetic progression 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12. So first term A is equal to 1, D is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is equal to 12 over here. Then after 2a into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 2 into bracket 1 and 12 minus 1 into d. So here you can see that S12, that is 12 by 2, that is 6, and 2 into multiplication with 1, that is 2, and 12 minus 1, that is 11. So 11 plus 2, that is 13. So 13 into 6, that is 78. In this way you can find the any arithmetic progression and sum of that. So here first 12 term having sum 78 respectively. Okay, in this way you can solve the any kind of examples. Question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles which centers alternately at A and B. Okay. So starting with center at a radius 0.5, 1.0, 1.5 and 2 centimeter as shown in figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? So take pi is equal to 12 by 22 by 7. Here semi-perimeter of circle, that is a pi r. Here I1 we take the r is equal to 0.5, so pi by 2 centimeter. Then after I2, that is a pi into 1, so r is equal to 1 over here, so I2 is equal to pi into 1, that is pi centimeter. Then after I3, that is pi into 1.5, that is 3 pi by 2 centimeter. Therefore I1, I2, I3 is equal to the length of the semicircles are in an arithmetic progression pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. In this way you can put the alternate value 0.1, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 etc. and you can got this kind of parameter series. So A is equal to pi by 2 and D is equal to pi minus pi by 2. So here put the value of D is equal to pi minus pi by 2. So here you have to find the S13. Okay, D is equal to pi by 2. We know that the sum of the n term of an arithmetic progression is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So n by 2, that is a 13 by 2, and 2 into a, that is a pi by 2, and plus n minus 1, that is 13 minus 1, that is 12 pi by 2. So 13 by 2 in the multiplication with pi plus 12 pi by 2, that is 7 pi. Okay, so 91 pi by 2 is equal to 91 multiplication with 22 divided by 2 by 7 is equal to 13 multiplication with 11, that is a 143. So therefore the length of this such spiral of 13 consecutive semicircles is 143. In this way you can solve this kind of miscellaneous example. I repeat it because this is IMP example. First of all you have to take the value of pi r, then after you have to take the value different values, that is a 0.5, 1 and 1.5. then after you have to make series pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Okay, then after a is equal to pi by 2, D is equal to pi minus pi by 2. Okay, so D is equal to pi by 2 over here. Then after S13, we know that the sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression is given by Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So 13 by 2 into the bracket 2 into pi by 2, n minus 1, that is 13 minus 1, and D is equal to pi by 2. So 13 by 2 is equal to 2 cancel. So pi plus 12 pi by 2, that is a 7 pi. Okay, so 13 pi by 2, that is a 91 pi by 2, and 91 into pi is 22 upon 7. So here we can say that 22 upon 7, it is 13 plus 13 multiplication with 11 and divide by 143 respectively. Thank you so much.